blusmart electric air fryer. His 3.4-quart air fryer is just about the correct size for somebody who's doing whatever it takes not to nourish an entire family. The littler size likewise implies that it warms up snappier than a large number of its rivals, giving it an edge with regards to snappy supper planning times. Our experience says you can fit around 3 potatoes in this fryer, which means it certainly has enough size for a total dinner prep if that is what you're going for. It's not incapacitated with temperature controls either, running from 170 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit with exact controls that hold temperature precisely where you need it. Sadly, its low cost has compromised. It's made for the most part of plastic, which is a major contrary for certain individuals, and it's somewhat difficult to clean contrasted with a portion of the others that we investigated. All things considered, in case you're searching for something which won't gobble up the entirety of the space on your counter and will cook rapidly and productively, blusmart has you secured. Click the link below to get the best product in the market. It's an affiliate link.